Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be showing you what happened when I grew three types of Delphinium. The Johnston's Delphinium Galahad and Wilco's Budget Buy Delphinium Pacific Giant Mix, and my own seeds from the front garden. This is how they turned out. As you can see, Pacific Giant, really good germination rate. The Galahad, the white ones, I never had much luck with white ones for some reason. As you can see, just 2 or 3 there, they started damping off. And then my front garden, which I'm really shocked with how amazing they've come through. So first of all, let's get to preparing these toilet roll tubes. First of all, get them like so. Soil them like that. Compost. There we go. Get my dibber. Make sure you compact it at the bottom. By doing that, you won't get compost falling out when you put it in the tray. Then top it up, gentle firm round, like so. As you can see, really well compacted, not falling out at all. Then into the tray like that. So let's get the ceilings. See what we can do with these, shall we? There's enough room. First of all, get your pen like so. Get underneath them like that. Gently lift them, and then see the roots there, yeah? Get all of them like that, like so. See the root system? Get a close up of that. Look at that. Really nice root system. All you need to do then is into your toilet roll tube, in the middle like so. Nice deep hole for it to go in. Just gently tease it down with your dibber. You don't want to snap the root, not at this early stage. And just a little bit of compost, just round it like so. And that one's ready for watering. I'll put a little water on the top and then put them in the sink to soak from the bottom. So, just one more. You hold it by the leaf there. Gently tease them apart. See, that one's broke. That is how not to do it. You always get a few casualties when you're putting on. Nothing you can do about it. Right. Here we go. That one's just getting its first true leaf, as you can see. So, there we go. In like so. Bit of compost around it. And that's it. So that's putting on my Delphiniums, my 3 different types I've grown. I've found the garden ones that I picked myself and stored over winter, have germinated best. So that's potting on Delphiniums, how to. Any questions you hesitate to ask, if you like, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.